The amount needed to start investing in stocks depends largely on your investment strategy, your investment goals, and the type of brokerage account that you open. Many brokers today allow you to begin with little to no minimum deposit, making it possible to start with as little as you feel comfortable with. Some online platforms even offer fractional shares, meaning that you can buy a portion of the stock rather than needing to purchase a full share. This makes investing in high priced stocks more accessible. While you can technically start with a small amount, it's generally recommended to invest an amount that allows for diversification. A diverse profile helps manage risk by spreading investments across various sectors or asset types. Depending on the investment choice that you make, you might need more money to create that balance. So, for example, mutual funds or exchange traded funds, ETFs, can give you immediate diversification, and many of these funds can be purchased with a modest initial investment. It's also essential to consider the costs. Just a second here. To consider the costs of investing, such as transactional fees or fund management fees, which can eat into your returns if you invest too little. In the end, the key is to start with an amount that you're comfortable with and gradually increase your contributions as you gain experience and confidence in the market.